Let's make some creamy berry nut crunch yogurt parfaits from the 5-ingredient diabetic cookbook for beginners. You can get this on Amazon. It's linked below. We're going to make these and meal prep. This looks like a super simple recipe, so I'm really excited to try it because I do love a yogurt bowl parfait. For this recipe, we need 3 cups plain Greek yogurt, 2 cups mixed berries, fresh or frozen. I like to use frozen because they're just easier. You don't have to go hunting down what you want, and they're just easier. Get the frozen, get the fresh, whatever you want. 1/2 cup granola, whole grain, low sugar preferred, and 1/4 cup chopped almonds. Let's get started. I'm going to be making mine in mason jars. You can use like a bowl that has a lid. I have a couple of those too, but I just like the way mason jars are because I can just add a lid and I can grab them and take them with me. And I'm going to make each portion into each jar. 3/4 cup Greek yogurt into each jar. Top that with 1/2 cup of berries. Forgot to mention the sugar-free syrup. You're going to drizzle that with 1/2 of a tablespoon of sugar-free syrup. If you don't know what 1/2 of a tablespoon of sugar-free syrup is, it's 1.5 teaspoons. I actually spray this a little bit with some cooking spray so that it will come out, and it comes right out of the spoon, nothing sticking. Check that out. So you're going to put that right in there. So for this, all of the things are, one of these is 312 calories, 29 grams of protein, 4 grams of fat, 36 carbs, 5 grams of fiber, and 168 milligrams of sodium. Next step, 1 tablespoon of sliced almonds. And now, what happens to the granola? What are you doing with the granola? Don't eat the granola yet. You can serve this immediately, but you don't want to put the granola in if you're going to be putting a lid on it and storing it for a few days. You can store it for up to 3 days. Your granola is going to get soggy. So you can choose to serve it just like this right now with your granola on it, or put your granola in little containers and have them ready to go. Put a lid on it, put it in the fridge. But I'm going to try it now. I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of the granola on top. If I was going to work or something, I would probably take this in an extra little container and just pop it on there. This is a great, if I have 15-minute breaks at work, this is a great protein snack that I can have. Let's try it. My berries are still frozen, but I don't care. This is a great summer thing too. You can just kind of mix up your little parfait there. Really good. Eat 1, put 3 in your fridge, and you have meal prep for most of the week for your breakfast or for your snacks. My granddaughters would love this too.